Hello Kenta friends. In today's video, we will be discussing the best music beat maker applications for Android. If you love creating music and beats right from your smartphone, then this video is perfect for you. So without further ado, let's get started. Beatmaker Go. Beatmaker Go is an Android music beat maker application that provides users with the ability to create cool music and beats. This app offers various instruments such as drums, bass, piano, synths, and more. Users can create songs by combining different instruments and adjusting the sound and tempo. Additionally, the app provides sound effects like reverb, delay, and more to enhance the overall result. Beatmaker Go also supports features for recording and saving the songs created by users. Groovebox. Groovebox is a music beat maker application suitable for Android users who want to create electronic music. With this app, users can create unique rhythms and melodies using various electronic instruments available, such as drum machines, synthesizers, and sequencers. Groovebox also provides features to adjust the sound and apply effects, allowing users to produce different styles of music based on their preferences. The app also offers the ability to record and share the created music. DJ Launchpad. DJ Launchpad is a music beat maker application that allows users to become DJs on their Android phones. Users can create DJ music by selecting and combining various sounds and effects available in the app. This app provides a complete DJ experience with features like looping, auto-sync, crossfade, and more. Additionally, DJ Launchpad supports features for recording and saving music mixes created by users. This app is perfect for users who want to try out DJing and entertain themselves with creative music. So, that concludes our review of the best music beat maker applications for Android. Whether you're a music enthusiast, aspiring producer, or a DJ, these apps provide you with the tools to unleash your creativity and create amazing beats and tracks right from your Android device. Thank you for watching, and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more exciting content. Stay tuned for our next video.